Nej, zajste dova. Yeah, yeah. So right now, my grandma is calling me to have lunch. Lunch social mutika. Aria. Ani di wa de jumi. Shin ma ana ani ke da ro. Ani di mam ani datto ino bate uni. Let's see. Let's see. Grandmother meat. Kakte min kiwa. Washing machine is calling me. Little chickens are worst. Finally, we are done with the work for today. So we did this one, brick cleaning and stuff, and we burned some rubbish. So the work is done for the day. Now I'm going back. condition right now. So let's go in. Was a little bit changed. I just went bazaar town to do some shopping, and then I just came back right now. I'm gonna make the butter right now. So yeah, come with me. So just waiting for the oil to heat, and then I will put the chopped vegetables like onion and garlic and everything. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So right now we are going for shopping for tomorrow. Now we'll be having some short, small, sweet party happening Heartwarming. So we will be going for the shopping. Yesterday we did a little bit, but so we are doing shopping for today. So yesterday I brought this one, but it was not working well. So today I thought to ask them how it is gonna work, but I don't know how it's gonna work. I did this, but in that receiver it's not coming. The light is not coming, so I just need to try this one first. So as this is my outfit, a black and yeah. That's it. We're going on. Right now, we are going to the shopping shop. Tara erin 좀 하라면서 짐게. 그치만. Hi guys, so today me and my father are shopping today. Now we have some program. But shopping na masita pa.
Nabagi dilo slasher nyong dunya de datuma FC lo wholesale na sa chitaw judo katuna
avocado. Finally shopping done. Now left with meat. I will buy tomorrow because today we can't buy because meat shop are all closed. So hi guys, yesterday we had some small celebration or housewarming. So I was a busy day, but I was not able to record fully. Busy day, so we were around like until 50 something days, 50 days. We recorded the much, but then even though I cried a lot because I was busy making food and things with the table, so I was very busy with that time. And after the guitar bending, so they have to talk with their friends and friends. Much mommy bisuchira. 30 days. It was we had to wash every cutleries and plates. And second of all, and the house to be clean. So yeah, basically that's the thing right now. So right now, done cleaning the sitting room, kitchen, and dining room, and now done with my father's room and mom operating room, and now here. So I'm cleaning right now in my own room. Cutting some daddy mom's friends came here in my room also to stay. Like there's no space for them to stay. So yeah, right now I'm arranging this one. Right now I'm cleaning here.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.